Welcome to McSween's Mill, right here on the edge of the Atlantic.
My name's Tony Kearney and I'm the director of An Clò Mòr. I directed series 1 and we're back here in the beautiful Isle of Harris for season 2. Series 2 is jam-packed with really exciting stories. We've picked up exactly where we left off on Series 1.
I feel like we've never been away, actually. I was a wee bit nervous. I was thinking, well, I'm going to have to maybe watch all the episodes again and remind myself how Rachel was and what she did. And then the second you put on the costume, it's amazing. It's just you're straight back into it.
Knock knock. Still going to play Naka on time. Femi petline and Toshok. I stay take my heart try med joch.
It's been so lovely to see everybody again, and we just all get on so well.
This season is really, really rich and textured in stories. We have some real sad stories full of a lot of pathos with real high drama, and we chime that in with some real light-hearted stuff as well with an incomer coming into to our midst.
Hi, I'm Jenny Ryan and I play Judy.
Everyone here is so friendly.
Where are you from yourself, Judy?
Donation, but I'm an islander at heart.
Playing Judy's been a dream really, because she's one of these characters that just takes over and doesn't really understand the impact that she's having. The whole experience has been so nice. Everyone was really welcoming and it was really nice to actually be here.
It really is fantastic to be back here in the island of Harris shooting again. We have a great relationship with the locals that live here in the village of Dràma, which is absolutely fantastic for us because it's like a backlot. Every character's house is practically within about 20 steps of the other location. For me as a director, it's just a visual feast, and there's so many angles. All the characters' houses are all in shot, and with that we can have crossovers of all the characters meeting each other. And Clò Mòr casting crew have really become a bit ingrained in the island's community now. We even have yoga classes at weekend. We all socialise. We go to the beaches together. It's hard work, but it's good fun at the same time. And I think Clò Mòr has kind of woven, pardon the pun, its way into the local community.
I would describe Series 2 as amazing, chaotic and fun. It's just so exciting. There's just so much packed into each episode.
An awful lot of colour, a lot of humour and a lot of drama as well. So there's something for everyone in this second series.
You never know what could happen within Clò Mòr, and that's quite exciting. So there's lots going on and lots still to come. So please do keep watching in Clò Mòr.